Welcome to Twisted Creations. My name is Andrea and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a sugar scrub. In my last video I made a sugar cube, which is great for exfoliating the skin. I like this for doing my arms and my legs and body. This smells great even a week later. This week I'm going to be using 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of Optifin preservative. Sorry, it took me a moment to say that. And a tiny bit of polysorbate 80 for the oil, being able to mix it. Mix it in here for just a teensy bit. I want it to not sit on my skin. I want to be able to rub the moisture in and blend with the water and not leave an oily film when I'm done. So I'm going to mix this all together, and then I'm going to also add lemon sugar. There we go. Lemon sugar from Nature's Garden into here, and then I will load it up into my jar, and then it will be done. So let's get started. I'm using a preservative because I know I will be using this in the shower and water will get in here. It will be for me. It's just that I don't want it to go bad before I use it all. I'm only going to use half a teaspoon of this. It's really strong, and since I'm going to use it on my face, I don't want a whole lot. So that's all I'm going to use, is a very little teeny bit. I like the smell. It smells great from Nature's Garden. I'll leave the link of where I got it down below. And by using a preservative in this, I can also sell it on Etsy if anyone's interested. Right now, I'm just making it for myself because it's becoming summertime and I want to exfoliate and moisturize my skin. Not that we're doing a whole lot outside except for walking the bike path due to this COVID-19. I'm hoping everyone else is doing okay with the virus and keeping inside and keeping busy and themselves entertained. I know my children are. Alright, now we're going to scoop into the jar. that down, and now it's full. Looks like I need another jar because I made more than I anticipated. Well, that's okay. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got another jar from my stash. Looks like I still have a little too much. Well, this I will use and show you how this works. And I'll be right back. Alright, now we're going to test this out. Take a little bit. Put it on our hands. And then you rub. Very moisturizing, very exfoliating. Got under my nails a little bit. My skin feels soft and moisturizing. It's not oily, but I can feel the oils moisturizing my skin. I like how the polysorbate 80 helps the oils emulsify. Feels great. I can't wait to use this on my face. So I got lemon for my face and lavender for my arms and my legs and body. Until next time, have a great day.